look at that. We have a new My Little Pony. Now we're gonna open it up. Whoa, I'm so excited. Look at this hair clip. There's a hair clip. And let's put it over here. And and we have a comb. And oh my gosh, look at this one. So much cuteness. So it's cute like a little cute bunny. And let's see the cute. Look at this cute mark. See? It's a butter. No, it's a butterfly. Yeah. And this is a hair clip too. Hair clip. I guess this. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! This is My Little Pony of Pinkie Pie, Cutie Mark, Pinkie Pie, Cutie Mark. And there are also glitters. And this also glitter. Glitter. Oh, glitter. Oh, these two. What is it? And also because. And it's also glitter. Now we're going to open the biggest one. The biggest one. The biggest one. Be careful about the wings. Okay. Oh no, let's open it now. I can't wait to open it. And her eyes are love. A heart. Mommy, mommy, look at this heart. And now, let's see this. What's this? What's this for? Let's press it up. And take this and take this white off. Get, set, go! Woo! This is nice. Yay! I'm gonna turn it in.